World War II marked one of the most dramatic turning points in modern warfare. For the first time in history, battles were no longer decided by infantry alone, but by steel, firepower, and machines built for total domination. Among all military innovations of the era, one weapon reshaped the battlefield forever: the tank. In this video, we explore every major tank used during World War II, how they were designed, and how they changed the nature of war itself. At the beginning of World War II, tanks were still evolving. Early designs focused more on mobility than protection, often sacrificing armor for speed. Germany introduced the Panzerei and two light tanks used primarily for reconnaissance. Meanwhile, Britain relied on infantry tanks like the Matilda II, built to support ground troops directly. These early machines revealed both the potential and limitations of armored warfare. As the war intensified, medium tanks became the backbone of armored forces. The German Panzer IV, the American M4 Sherman, and the Soviet T-34 defined this new generation. They balanced firepower, mobility, and protection, a combination that proved decisive across multiple fronts. The T-34, in particular, shocked the world with its sloped armor and wide tracks, giving it unmatched performance on rough terrain. As the war progressed, nations sought dominance through heavier armor and larger guns. Germany introduced the Tiger and King Tiger tanks, heavily armored machines designed to dominate the battlefield. The Soviet Union responded with the East series, focusing on raw power and frontal armor. These tanks were feared, respected, and logistically challenging, marking the peak of heavy tank development. Not all tanks fought in Europe. In the Pacific, lighter and more mobile tanks were favored due to dense jungles and rough terrain. Japan relied on vehicles like the Type 97 Chiha, while Allied forces adapted their armor for amphibious warfare. Each battlefield demanded different designs, proving that no single tank could dominate every environment. By the end of World War II, tank warfare had permanently changed. Design principles developed during the conflict became the foundation for modern main battle tanks. Armor layout, firepower balance, and crew survivability all evolved from lessons learned during the war. The machines of World War II did not just fight battles, they shaped the future of armored warfare. World War II tanks were more than weapons. They were symbols of industrial power, engineering ambition, and the changing nature of warfare. Their legacy continues to influence modern military design, a reminder that technology, once created, reshapes history itself.